Dear all, welcome to Manju's vlog. In today's episode, I am going to prepare a Chinese stir fry vegetables, which is a very quick and easy recipe to prepare. I have taken finely chopped garlic from 6 cloves of garlic, a small piece of ginger which is finely chopped, 1 green chili which is cut into thin slices. I have also added 10 small florets of broccoli and cauliflower too. 1 onion cut into cubes, half red and green capsicum cut into cubes, 1 medium sized tomato, as well as carrots and beans too. Also we can add mushrooms, baby corn, as well as tofu. Also I have taken spring onions as well as chopped coriander leaves for garnish, and also 2 tablespoons of corn flour which is mixed in water. Keep a non-stick pan on the burner and add 3 tablespoons of corn oil followed by ginger garlic as well as green chilies. Now add cut cubes of onion, tomatoes, red and green capsicum and broccoli as well as all the vegetables to the saute pan. Now toss the pan with all the vegetables so that it will mix well. Add salt as per taste required, followed by black crushed pepper from the pepper mill, as well as soybean sauce and white vinegar. Now mix it well and saute for at least 2 to 3 minutes so that the vegetables will get mixed. Now add red chili flakes to it and again saute well. Now add half liter of water because we will be needing gravy for the steam rice. If you want dry, you can add less water depending on your requirement. Now add the corn flour mix which was kept ready to thicken the sauce. Now I am adding cut spring onions as well as finely chopped coriander leaves as a garnish for the stir fry vegetables. Delicious stir fry vegetables is ready to serve. Serve with steam rice, noodles or vegetable fried rice. I am serving it along with the white rice, which is a perfect combination for the stir fry vegetables. Hope all of you have enjoyed this episode. Hope to see you all with much more exciting dishes in the coming days. Thank you once again for watching Manju's vlog.